Guys, I would like to show you my new dash camera, which is front and rear camera as well. So you are able to record in the front and also at the back of your car. That is the camera itself. I'll also get a little clip for you to see the camera itself and where it has been placed. So if anything happens in front of you or at the back of your car, you are able to get all records straight. So you will get that through Bluetooth in your smartphone. So you don't need to be worried. Whoever comes in front of you or behind you will be able to get the best shots with this dash camera. So come with me and see how it is. I'll place where I got the camera right away. That is the camera itself in that magazine where I got it from. I just ordered online and it was delivered on time. You can see that is the front camera right away. You can see it there. I already fixed it up. That is it. Also, when you view it at the back, that is the back the rear camera. That's where it is placed. It's on a right spot. That is the rear camera recording. I can see best views. You're able to see who is behind you and probably who is following you up. That is a camera, the rear camera. Yeah, that's it. Now I'll switch to the front camera now. Just see how I can flip it off to the front camera. Yes, now the front camera is on.